Betrayed by a family member? You're not alone. Trust shattered, relationships strained. It's a painful reality. But hope isn't lost. Family conflicts can leave deep wounds. Misunderstandings, harsh words, broken promises. The trust that once existed is now fragile. To rebuild, start with open communication. Share your feelings honestly without blame. Listen with empathy, understand their perspective. Seek forgiveness but also be willing to forgive. It's a two-way street. Let go of grudges, focus on healing. Remember, trust is earned over time. Be consistent, prove your reliability. Small steps, daily actions. Patience is key. Follow for more tips on mending broken family bonds. Save this for when trust needs rebuilding.